The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. There have been multiple reports stating that several fireworks at a 4th of July fireworks show in downtown Phoenix have exploded. These explosions have created a large fire that is rapidly spreading across the city. It is believed that these explosions were caused by high temperatures, low humidity, and high winds that were in the area over the last few days. Multiple injuries and a few fatalities have been reported by police to those that were attending the show. In addition, many buildings near the event were caught on fire and were eventually destroyed. Due to this fire having the capability to spread, all residents in the city of Phoenix are strongly advised to leave the area immediately. The entire city of Phoenix will be engulfed in flames due to this fire. Before you evacuate, take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your journey. Evacuation shelters have been set up in the cities of Flagstaff, Tucson, and Mesa. Locations for these shelters may be found at www.fema.gov. Tie a white towel to a visible location of your residence such as a door or mailbox. Do not use the towel if you need assistance. Do not pick up loved ones from hospitals or nursing homes, as these locations have their own evacuation procedures. If you refuse to evacuate, you will face certain death. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.